So now I simply want to use the measures that I created in the earlier video. So I'm going to insert a new page just by hitting the plus. I'm going to double click and call it Sales Summary. And what I want to do is create a matrix that uses the measures that I created and stored in my Key Sales Measures group. So let's start by adding a matrix to our report canvas. Let's then turn around and resize it. Make it a lot bigger. And what I want to do is I want to go to sales territory, and in sales territory I'd like to grab region and put it in the rows. And there's my regions showing as rows there. I'd like to also now go and get some of my key sales measures. So I want to start with average sales. I want to add that to my values. Number of sales, add that to my values. I also want to grab total sales and add that. And fourth, I'll have the sales rating and add that. So I've added all 4 measures to my values, and you can see that here in my metrics. If I went to my visualizations pane, I could also search for font and globally increase the font size to maybe 14, which will enable you to see it better, and I can resize it, and there is my matrix showing me my measures. Brilliant. And I'll save my Power BI file.